Is Samsung finally fixing that annoying lock screen animation bug? If you've been side-eyeing your Galaxy phone every time the lock screen lags, you're not alone, and relief might finally be on the way. Despite Samsung's extensive beta and internal testing, One UI 7 still isn't bug-free. A growing number of users are reporting a frustrating animation glitch when locking their phones. The transition from active use to a locked state feels oddly delayed, especially when pressing the side key. It's not just a one-off issue either. Many users have been able to reproduce the lag consistently. Posts on Samsung's community forums and popular subreddits show that this lock screen animation bug is affecting devices running the stable One UI 7 update. While Samsung hasn't officially acknowledged the issue, it's highly likely a fix will roll out with the May 2025 firmware update. So far, the Galaxy S24 and S23 series have received the April patch with the One UI 7 firmware. The Galaxy S25 series also recently got its April update, while mid-rangers like the Galaxy A55 are still in beta, having just received the third One UI 7 beta build in India, which includes the May 2025 patch. As Samsung gears up to push out the May OTA update across its lineup, all eyes are on whether this firmware will finally squash the pesky lock screen lag for good.